This is Euclid Book 8, proposition number 16. Here is our tiny diagram. Okay. If a square number do not... Okay, boy, this really trips you up here. If a square number do not measure a square number, neither will the side measure the side. And if the side does not measure the side, neither will the square measure the square. Let A and B be square numbers. Okay, we can go back to using 4 and 16. Okay? And let C and D be their sides. And let A not measure B. Okay. Let's not use 4 and 16. Let's use 4 and 9. Okay, this is 4 and this is going to be 9. Obviously, 4 is not going to measure 9. Okay. I say that neither does C measure D. C will not measure D if A can't measure B. For if C measures D, A will also measure B. This is by Euclid Book 8, proposition number 14, which we just covered in a previous video. But A does not measure B. Therefore, neither will C measure D. Again, let C not measure D. Well, we're going to say now that C doesn't measure D, and the previous one we said A didn't measure B. Okay? I say that neither will A measure B. For if A measures B, C will also measure D. And this is by Euclid Book 8, proposition number 14. But C does not measure D, therefore neither will A measure B. So if this doesn't measure this, this won't measure this. And if this doesn't measure this, this won't measure that. That's what they're saying. And that's it. I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.